In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Zoom for Google Calendar add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Google Workspace Marketplace directory website. This is where Google hosts approved add-ons and integrations that connect with Google services like Calendar, Docs, Gmail, and more. Using Chrome is helpful here because it tends to work smoothly with Google account sign-ins and permission prompts. Once the Marketplace directory is open, look for the search bar near the top of the page and search for Zoom for Google Calendar. As you type, you may see suggestions appear, but make sure you select the add-on with the correct name so you install the right tool. This add-on is designed to connect Zoom with Google Calendar, making it easier to create and manage meetings directly from your calendar workflow. After you open the Zoom for Google Calendar listing, take a quick moment to review the page. You'll usually see a short description of what the add-on does along with information about permissions and compatibility. This is a good habit anytime you install a new add-on because it helps you confirm that you're choosing the correct integration before moving forward. When you're ready, click Install. At this point, Google may ask you to choose the account you want to use if you're signed into more than one. Select the appropriate account and then continue through the authorization screens. You'll be asked to grant the application permission to access certain parts of your Google account so the add-on can work properly with Google Calendar. Read through those permission requests carefully, then approve them to continue. During this process, you might also see a few confirmation windows or security prompts. That's normal, especially when connecting third-party tools to Google services. Just make sure each prompt clearly refers to the Zoom for Google Calendar add-on before accepting. Once the permissions are granted, the installation should complete automatically. After that, the add-on will be connected to your Google Calendar environment and ready for use. If you don't see it right away, refreshing the page or reopening Google Calendar can help the new add-on appear. That's it. You've successfully installed Zoom for Google Calendar through the Google Workspace Marketplace, and you're now ready to use it to streamline scheduling and meeting creation inside Google Calendar.